So I am back trying out new KFC menu items, but this time KFC has launched something that has become really popular recently, something that's on trend and that you see everywhere now, and that thing, or that flavour, is hot honey. And you know what? Hot honey KFC chicken sounds delicious. So let's go try it out and see what it's like. Okay, so here I am, back at the same KFC that I've been to many times. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to start wearing a disguise because they probably recognise me by now. Paul, right, let's head in. And we're gonna tap to order. Okay, and there it is. Hot honey drip meal. Right, let me order this and I'll join you at a table when I have my food. Right, and I have my KFC hot honey drip meal. Let me give you a closer look at exactly what's included. So this is it. Have a look at this. So we've got the honey drip burger, chicken sandwich burger there. And there's a little bit poking out, so you get a little bit of a preview. And it looks saucy. I got this as a box meal, so it comes with chips, piece of chicken and gravy, plus the drink over there. And as an extra little side, I got some hot honey drip wings. So check that out. That is the KFC new hot honey items. Right, let's dig into this. Okay, so before we start, I think I'm gonna have a quick drink. And again, I am here at 10 AM in the morning, so it's really early. And I got myself a Lipton peach iced tea, so it counts as my breakfast tea. Right, let's get started. Okay, so I think the first thing we have to start off with is the honey drip wings. They come in a nice fancy new box, the hot honey logo there. Let's open it up and see what they look like. Okay, so let me give you a closer look. So they've got to be your regular hot wings, but coated in some hot honey sauce. I'm not too sure with what honey is supposed to be like, or hot honey. I think in some places it's not spicy and some places it is spicy. By the looks of this one, I think you can kind of see chili flakes in there, so this might be a spicy one. But you know what, let's go in for a bite and see what it's like. You know what, that's not as spicy as I thought it would be. So you bite into that, immediately you get the hot honey flavour, which is just sweet. So it's like a sweet honey. It doesn't seem to be any spice in there, even though it looks like they've got chili flakes there. So you get that sweet flavour from the honey, you get a slight crisp from the hot wing, and then you get that nice chicken on the inside. You know what? That hot honey has kind of taken away the spice from that hot wing. So this hot wing is no longer that hot. It's kind of become like a little bit of a sweet chili chicken. You know what? I've had an early idea for a combo bite, and I hope I'm not going to peak too early with this one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the hot honey chicken, the hot honey hot wings with some KFC gravy. So you get the chicken flavour, the spiciness, the sweetness, and then a bit of the saltiness from the gravy. Right, let's get a piece of this chicken and try it. So the first combo bite of this meal, and you know what, it's going to be a saucy good one. So we've got the hot honey hot wing, crispy there, plus some KFC gravy. Right, let's dip this in. This is going to be one indulgent bite. Right, let's go for this. You know what, that is delicious. So you bite into that, immediately you get the salty chickeny flavour from the gravy and the KFC spices. You get the sweetness of that honey from the chicken, a little bit of spice. You get the crunchiness from the hot wing, and then the soft, juicy chicken. You know what, this is a great combo to start off with. So you know what, when KFC first announced that they were going to do this hot honey flavour, I thought they might have some sort of dip or something for the original recipe chicken and combine it with the hot honey, but they haven't. It's only the hot wings and the burger. So I'm gonna have to try and create it myself. So I'm gonna dip this original recipe chicken in the hot honey sauce. I've still got a wing in there, so let me get that out, create some space, and you know what, dip some original recipe chicken in some hot honey sauce. Right, combos are coming thick and fast here, and I can hardly get the piece of chicken in there, but there it is. Have a look at that. I've done it. So that is KFC original recipe chicken with hot honey. Right, let's try this out. You know what, that combo bite works. So you bite into that, you get the soft chicken, the KFC spices, there's kind of saltiness, and then you get that hot honey sweetness in there as well, with maybe a slight bit of a chili kick. But that is a great combo. You know what, it is a little messy, but I think I'm gonna have to go in for the same combo as before. So let's get a drip tray down. Let's get the original recipe chicken with the hot honey on it, and you know what, let's dip it in gravy. Right, well, let's try that out. You know what, surprisingly, that works. So KFC is a little on the saltier side, so when you have the salty sort of gravy, the salty chicken, and you have the honey on top, it cuts through the saltiness, so you get the salty, the sweet, the spicy, and then you get a little bit of a crunch from the chicken, and then that chickeny flavour as well, that soft juicy chicken on the inside. This is a great combo. Okay, so this meal is a little bit messy, but you know what, it's worth it. So before we get onto the honey drip burger, let's go for a chip break. So KFC chips in gravy. Let's try this first before we go onto the burger. Again, this is always good, because who doesn't like chips in gravy? Right, it's honey drip burger time. So this is it. New burger, new box. Nice fancy new box. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So let me give you the first look. So that is it. Right, let's take it out, and you know what, it's looking saucy. Here it is. You know what, that is saucier than I thought. So have a look at that. So you've got the bun on top, sesame bun, you've got that massive fillet with hot honey, and it's dripping everywhere. It really is a hot honey drip burger. You've got the cheese in there, the lettuce, maybe a bit of mayo as well. But that is it. Right, let's go for a bite of this. Okay, so when they say this is a honey drip burger, it is, because the honey is dripping everywhere. So you bite into that, you get the soft bread, you immediately get the honey, spicy hot honey flavour. It's sweet, it's spicy. You get the chicken, a little bit of a crunch still, but it's soft. You get slightly cheesy flavour from the cheese, and the lettuce just adds that bit of fresh crunch. You know what? It's a decent burger, and I think this is similar to the Stranger Things burger that they had a couple of months ago. In fact, is it the same thing? So I can't quite remember the Stranger Things burger, but I remember it being sort of sweet and spicy, so kind of similar to this. Does this look similar to the Stranger Things burger? I remember the Stranger Things one was sweet, maybe spicy, and it had maybe sort of alcohol-y taste. But I think this is almost the same, if I'm not mistaken. I think though what we need to do is go in for the ultimate bite. So we're going to put down a drip tray. So you know it gets serious when you have to put down a drip tray. So we're going to have the KFC drip burger, and we're going to pour gravy all over it. Check that out. Now it really is the ultimate drip burger. Right, let's go for a bite of this. You know what, that really is the ultimate bite of this meal. So you get all the flavors and textures. So you get the soft bread, the chicken, the saltiness of the gravy, the hot honey, the spiciness, the sweetness, and you have that fresh crunch from the lettuce. You know what, this really is a great burger when you add the gravy. Okay, let me finish up the rest of this meal and I'll join you outside while I'll go through the total cost. Okay, so they were the new KFC honey drip items, and you know what, when they say honey drip they mean honey drip, because they were really saucy, almost to the point of too saucy. Anyway, let's go through the items. Let's start off with the honey drip hot wings. You know what, they were nice. The honey kind of took away the spiciness of the hot wings. So normally when you get hot wings they're a little bit spicy, but when you put the honey on top, even though the hot honey is a little spicy itself, the sweetness of it takes away the spiciness, so then they become a sort of sweet chili hot wings, which were actually really delicious. And then when you combined it with the KFC gravy and you get the saltiness, the secret spices and the sweet hot chili honey flavor, you know what, that was maybe the best combo of the meal. Moving on to the original recipe chicken and comboing that up with the hot honey. You know what, that is a bit of a genius move. I don't know why KFC don't have a sort of sauce to add with the original recipe chicken. The hot honey only seems to come with the hot wings and the burger, but when you add it to the original recipe chicken, you know what, it's delicious. It's KFC chicken with hot honey, and that sounds like an amazing combo, and it tastes like an amazing combo. And then again, when you add the gravy on top and you're combining all the flavors with the saltiness, the secret spices, the sweetness, you know what, I said the hot honey drip hot wings were the best combo with the gravy. You know what, I think I might take that back. I think the original recipe chicken with hot honey and gravy might be the best combo. So if you ever go to KFC and you get the hot honey and the gravy, combine everything together with the chicken and you won't be disappointed. And then finally we had the honey drip burger, and you know what, that was really saucy. I think to the point of it being too saucy. I don't know if it was just mine, but I found there was just too much sauce. It just kind of engulfed and covered everything. So maybe if you are a saucy person you might like it, but for me it was too saucy. But again, when you combined it with the KFC gravy, it just enhanced it and it just combined all the flavors together. Okay, let's go through the total cost of that meal. So my honey drip burger meal with the chicken, the drink and the chips and the gravy was $10.99, and then the hot wings, the honey drip hot wings I got separately at $2.99, so the total cost was £13.98. Was that worth it? Comment down below what you think. For me, I would say it was, especially when you dipped everything in gravy. Gravy just makes everything taste better. But like I said, comment down below what you think, and if you like the video, click on the thumbs up icon below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.